Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix when the Fire Stick is stuck on the logo screen. So what you want to do is press the play button and the middle button here, which is the select button on your Fire Stick remote. And this should restart your Fire Stick. And hopefully, when it comes back from rebooting, it should kick in and get past the logo symbol. If not, what you want to do is unplug your Fire Stick from the power outlet. So if you have it in the power socket in the wall, unplug it, or if you have a USB into the back of your TV, what's powering your Fire Stick, unplug this. So there's no power on your Fire Stick. Leave it around a minute to 2 minutes, then plug it back in, and hopefully when you plug it back in, it'll get past the Fire Stick TV logo and it should boot up perfectly. Also, if it does, make sure you do have the internet so you can do this on your phone or things like that. And sometimes without the internet, it can't get past the page for some reason. But there's some practical ways how to fix your Fire Stick when it's stuck on the logo screen. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.